In this video, I'll be showing you how to make 3D pathfinding animations, and it's actually way easier than you might think. If you haven't already watched the first video in the series, then I highly suggest doing that because it shows how to make all this and have the enemy select random places to walk. But if you already have all this, then the first thing we need to do is to add an action, and this will be for the speed. So we'll search up Navmesh, and we'll have it change the maximum speed. I'm going to set my maximum speed for when he's chasing me to 180, so he'll walk faster. And then we'll duplicate this to here for when he's just roaming around, and I'm going to set this to 80 so that he's slower. Then we'll add a new event, we'll grab trigger once, and we'll add a new condition. We'll search up Navmesh, and we'll add destination reached for our zombie. And then when it reaches the destination, we'll copy and paste the speed, and we'll set it to 0. Now we need to add a new event and have the nav mesh, the speed, the maximum speed, set to, I'm going to do the sprinting first, so I'll set it to, if it's equal to 180, then we'll change the animation, if I can spell. Oh my goodness, if I could spell, holy. Okay, change the animation of our enemy. I'm going to set it to sprint. Sprint at. Oh, run. Set it to run. And if you don't have animations already, then there'll be a little pop-up up here. And if you watch that video, then I show you how to get animations super easily. So then we'll copy and paste this twice. And I'll change that to 80. These will be whatever your numbers are here. And I'll change this to 0. And so this will be the walk, and this will be the idle. So then if we preview this, since he's not moving, he's just chilling, and then he starts walking around, and if I go up to him, I'll start sprinting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.